everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the bargain bead box for March of 2023. And I will say I did watch one unboxing video because somebody posted it before me and I had to see what we were dealing with here. And it looked very interesting. So the bargain bead box for March is Art Deco Luxe. It says your beads. Inspired by the glamour of the roaring 20s, this package includes black, gold, teal, and green tones with a touch of pearlescence. Black agate and onyx teardrops combined with agate beads, coated hematite. We especially love the chevrons. Lab-created shell pearls, sparkling crystal accents, and high-quality gold findings in Art Deco-inspired teardrop motifs. So, this is pretty interesting. So I'm going to put that here, and let's, oh, this is different. I don't think we've ever received chevron beads from bargain bead box before. So, oh, these are very different. Pretty. Oh. Let's see, it's a nice little mix of beads. So there's 17 items here. There's one. Let me go and I will get these set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so number one is an 8-inch strand of 5.5 times 6 millimeter hematite man-made coated chevron beads. These are really interesting. Never gotten them from a bargain bead box before. This would be fun to play around with. Usually when I get chevron beads, they've got like 2 or 3 holes in them. So this will be very interesting. So here's that. And then number 2 is a 7.5-inch strand of 4 millimeter finely faceted hematite man-made AB rounds. Oh, yeah, you can feel these are heavier. Very pretty. This is a very interesting box. Number 3 is 1 meter of 3x2 millimeter brass oval jewelry chain, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. So you do get a lot of chain here. And I do use chain. I use a lot of chain. So that's nice. Number 4 is, oh, these are pretty. 50 pieces of 4 millimeter brass corrugated bicone spacer beads. Yeah, these are really nice. I already see some possibilities for this. Number 5 is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter white shell pearl man-made round beads. These are pretty. Got a nice weight to them. Number 6 is a 16 by 18 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass swirl teardrop toggle clasp. Oh, it's attached. It's got a jump ring attaching it together. That's really pretty. It's a nice little addition. Number 7 is a 28 by 15 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass filigree teardrop pendant. And it's nickel free. Yeah, this you could, I mean, that's the back of it. And that's the front. You could, you know, attach little jump rings in there and dangle stuff in there, or attach some of that chain. There's a lot you can do with that. These are pretty. Number 8 is 2 pieces of 19.5 by 8 millimeter gold-plated brass filigree teardrop charms, nickel-free. Of course, these would be good as earrings. Or you could put an eye pin and then put some beads on here. So you have this at the bottom, and then some beads, and then put your ear wire. And number 9 is a 16-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in jet gold. Very pretty. I'm sure there's people that are not liking this box this month. I look at everything as a challenge. I've got some really cool ideas already for this, just looking at this. It's like either you like this kind of stuff or you don't. And I happen to think you can work with anything. Number 10 is a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter black agate dyed and heated round beads. Oh, these are pretty. You can see the different colors in there, striations in there in the beads. I'm not sure if the light's picking it up in these. These are really pretty. And number 11 is a 4-piece 17 by 11 millimeter stainless steel open teardrop charms, golden. These, you could do a lot with these. These you could, you know, hang ear wire from there, and then have some stuff dangling from those. I mean, there's a lot you could do with these. So that's pretty cool. Number 12 is a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter glass pearl beads in teal green. Oh, these are pretty. Make a pretty little bracelet for you. There's even enough for a necklace. You could do this and then maybe, you know, accent it with those, and then maybe hang one of these and put some little beads at the bottom, and you got yourself a really pretty necklace. So number 13, oh, these are pretty. It's 2 pieces of 17.5 by 13 millimeter onyx dyed and brass faceted teardrop charms, nickel free. These are really pretty. Very pretty. And they're the same on both sides. Very pretty. Oh, love these barrel beads. Number 14 is a 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter crystal faceted barrel beads in jet. Look at the sparkle in those babies. Very pretty. So pretty. Okay, number 15. Oh, this is really pretty. Approximately 37 by 21 millimeter black agate dyed faceted teardrop pendant. Lots of sparkle on that. It's the same on both sides. Very pretty. But that, a lot of movement in that. Very pretty. Number 16 is a 7-inch strand of 10 millimeter black and white agate dyed heated faceted rounds. Oh, these are pretty. I bought a strand like these a couple years ago. I forgot where. I think I bought them online. They were bluish, and they're facet agate like this, and they were this kind of quality. They were like $10 just for that strand, and it was even a smaller strand than this. So these are really pretty. These are gorgeous. Wow. And number 17 is a 20-piece strand of 8 millimeter crystal faceted drop beads in teal AB. I love these drop beads because they're not perfectly round. I love them because you can, the way you can face them to each other and then put a little spacer bead in between there. And you can make something really fun with these. So I am loving this month's box. I think it's really fun. I'm not the biggest gold fan, but there's really not too much gold. I mean, like these pieces just have a little bit of gold around it. So gold can be more of an accent color. You know, you can, I mean, these are gorgeous. I think these probably my favorite out of here. These and these. Very pretty. So I cannot wait to work with these. I will definitely have a couple tutorials out soon with some. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I have so many new videos coming out. I'm trying so many different kinds of techniques and creating jewelry behind the scenes. And then if I like it, then I do a tutorial on it so I don't bore you with my flops. But I'm really trying to think outside the box this year for 2023. I have a lot planned, so I hope you'll join me on my YouTube journey, and I appreciate each and every one of you that watch me and comment and like my videos. You're the reason I am here. I've wanted to do this for a long time, and you are making that possible. So I hope you're happy with my videos I am posting. And I also have my social media below, my Etsy, Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook pages if you want to follow me on there. And I will leave a link below to the Bargain Bead box. I was supposed to be getting a coupon code for 10% off. They contacted me and I haven't heard back yet, so I'm going to contact them again. And when I do have that, I will put that below in the link. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for tuning in, and you all have a great day.